guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Lee if you are new here, and for today's video we're just going to be doing a really relaxed self-care routine. I love doing this at the beginning of the week just to pick me up because I am a strong believer in when you look good you feel good, okay? And when you feel good, you do good. So it's all a trickle-down effect, and that is exactly why the past 2 weeks I've spent my time revamping this room because I just moved back from college. I go to Ohio State University, for those of you who aren't familiar with my channel. I just moved back May 2nd, and my room has been a mess. You know, we were painting, I installed these new racks, I installed that shelf, I redid the knobs on my dresser. It was just like an entire process, and none of my furniture was moved out of my room. It was all just compiled into the middle of my room. Life was a mess, and now that everything is back together, I'm so excited because I can show up 100,000%. But before we get started with the self-care routine, I just wanted to show you guys this awesome affordable wax kit that was sent to me. It has everything you need, from the wax beads, the wax warmer, for care and aftercare. So if you're interested in waxing at home, this is a very affordable option. I have a link in the description box with a discount code for all of my loyal supporters, and you guys can do your own at-home waxing experience too. Inside of the box comes hard wax beans and the scent lavender, as well as tea tree, which I love the scent of lavender. It's very relaxing. It's like 5 different packs, and they're all scented. So you have a eucalyptus scent, a lemon scent, as well as a peppermint scent. So today I'm going to use the lavender scent. And then here's the actual wax warmer. It comes with bubble wrap around it to protect it. It comes with gloves too. Okay, they did that. Spray bottle caps. Now the awesome thing that I'm noticing about this kit is that it has really big sticks as well as really small sticks, and this is really helpful for those of you who are doing an application on like your full body. You want to wax your legs as well as maybe your underarms and stuff like that. But these I'm going to be using today, the smaller sticks that come inside of it. And then, like I said, they have a pre-wax formula as well as an after wax formula. If you are someone like me who likes to take care of themselves, self-care and upkeep is very important to you, this wax kit is definitely the best bet for you. It has literally everything that you need. So I'm gonna go ahead and warm up these wax beads, and then I'm going to wax my eyebrows. But this smells so good. Like, honey, I'm in heaven. I feel like I'm at a spa. This is the perfect wax kit in my opinion. Please go get it, honey. Look, these are the wax beans. They are melting down, sweetie, slowly but surely. So now I'm going to be taking the pre-wax and just kind of spraying it on a tissue because I don't have cotton rounds, and just kind of freshening up the area. Ooh, honey, this pre-wax smells good. I feel like I'm at a spa. Now this part, to me, I think is very important. You want to brush all of the hairs up. So now my wax is completely melted. So I'm just going to take my little waxy guy. Okay, stop being a little loose. Look, I can already feel it like ripping my freaking hair out. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Make me feel like there is life worth living. Make me feel alive. Oh yeah. Tell me on my side, baby. Where would I? Okay, so I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but I definitely can. I really like it. Now, they're not perfect just yet because I need to trim them, but at the same time, I like for when I like eventually laminate them and stuff, for them to stick up and out and be kind of long, because that's just kind of like the look these days.
Without your love beside me, oh baby, where would I be gone?
So if you guys are interested in this wax kit, make sure to click the link in the description box. For this entire wax kit, I'm pretty sure it is the same price as one wax treatment. So you do with that information what you want. I think the thicker the application, especially on areas like your brows and stuff where the hair is very fine and small, you want to make sure you use a much thicker layer so that it can grip the hairs, and make sure you're pulling the skin taut so that it can create enough friction for when you pull it. But that's just the little bit that I learned in the last 20 minutes of me shaping up my eyebrows and my upper lip. But now I'm just going to laminate my eyebrows. This process I'm just going to speed through. So yeah.
'Cause it feels like CPR. 'Cause it feels like CPR. Make me love, I can't lie. Notice I can stand you up. I don't wanna talk about it, but no one understands me. No, you're the only one I confide into, darling. I don't need to lie.
Okay, so now that my eyebrows are laminated, guys, they look so good. I'm so excited. Thank you so much again for sending me that wonderful wax kit. And if you guys are interested in doing your own wax at home, I highly recommend go into the description box and click on the link. So make sure y'all go copy you a wax kit. So now that I am done with that, I'm going to do a face mask. I love doing face masks because it's just so relaxing. This is a bubble face mask that I got from the dollar store.
To you, babe. 'Cause your love, oh my babe. How you dance my heart, oh darling. Everything I've done, you know.
I think another huge step to self-care is obviously taking care of your lips. And as of lately, I have really been enjoying the Morphe Glassified Lip Oil. When I say this lip oil puts the self in care, it is so good. Like, this feels so good. It's like a gloss, but it doesn't have the tacky stickiness of a gloss, and that's why I don't wear glosses. I hate them, especially when it's windy out and your hair gets stuck on your lips and stuff. So another thing I love to do for self-care is to really make sure my space smells and looks good. So I'm going to clean up a little bit, and I'm just going to spray this room spray that I purchased from Target. This is the Amber, Bergamot, and Patchouli room spray. It smells so good, y'all. If you don't do anything else from this video besides, of course, buy that wax kit, make sure you go pick up this room spray. It literally smells so good. It smells like your room is meant to be a showroom in Restoration Hardware. And take off this mask and wash off the remaining bits. This was fun. I will definitely be going back to buy some more of these because I thoroughly enjoyed that experience with the bubbles. Pretty much the last step to this self-care routine, of course, is hydration and a little bit of a treatment. So this is the last step to my self-care routine. I like to use the Urban Skin Rx Clear and Even Tone Glycolic Acid wipes. These are really awesome. I feel like they are the perfect solution to like light spots or dark spots on your skin because I suffer from eczema. I use that, and then I also use the Dream Cream by Lush. It moisturizes the most sensitive skin, and my skin is very sensitive right around the time of the seasons changing, so I like to just use this as my daily moisturizer.
I really never had a home. hate feeling alone. Maybe you can make me feel at home.
Well, that pretty much concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my self-care routine. Let me know how you like some of the products that I have recommended. And make sure to check the link in my description box to purchase this wax kit. It is so helpful if you are looking to, you know, ball on a budget and do the things that you love for yourself at home. And as always, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so that you are notified whenever I upload a new video. And I love you guys, and I'll see you next time.